Hi guys, I'm Shar and this is Dieting with a Life. We're going to show you how to make a little bit of a keto sweet treat today that you can put on other things like sugar-free jello and anything else, or just put it in the freezer like we like to do and eat it with a spoon. It has 2 to 3 simple ingredients. If you want to use vanilla you can, but the rest of it is just simple keto. Okay, so you can put a half a teaspoon of vanilla in this. I generally don't. It adds kind of a different flavor to it. I like just strained. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 300 milliliters of straight heavy whipping cream. There we go. And next we're going to go with, I use Swerve sweetener, the confectioners. Anything granular is going to be a problem, so let's just, and we will link those sweeteners, that sweetener and some heavy whipping cream in the description. So I use a Braun mixer. I've tried other mixers and they don't really have the power that I need, so we'll link this one as well. And now all we're going to do is just mix. Okay, so that's pretty much, and you can tell I've got some pretty stiff peaks. And there is your keto with topping. Enjoy.